When people think about post-construction cleaning, they usually picture someone coming in and wiping things down. That's not what this is. After construction cleaning is about taking that final step, transforming a construction site into a space that's safe, clean, and ready to open. Dust settles everywhere after a build, inside vents, on trim, behind fixtures. Debris can create hazards if it's not handled correctly. At System4 of San Antonio, we clean in stages. We remove heavy debris first, then detail every surface, cabinets, tracks, vents, fixtures, and finish with a final polish so floors, glass, and surfaces are presentation ready. Each phase has a defined scope and checklist to ensure nothing is missed. We scope every project based on square footage, flooring type, build complexity, and deadline requirements. Post-construction cleaning is planned, not estimated casually. From active construction projects across San Antonio to the fast-growing commercial corridors of Schertz and the hill country expansion around New Braunfels, we support education buildings, medical offices, restaurants, industrial facilities, and retail buildouts throughout the region. We conduct a pre-service walkthrough, confirm expectations, and ensure a clean, inspection-ready turnover. If you're preparing for turnover and need dependable post-construction cleaning services in San Antonio, call System4 of San Antonio at 210-868-7674 or visit our website to get started.